Hi everyone, this is me looking at the Fowl Food Maker game. It's a interactive maths game that looks at probability and chance. So if you click this little help button down here, it tells you how to play the game. So you look at the choices of meals and you decide from those choices the probability of you getting it. So it would either be impossible, unlikely, equal, likely, or certain. So if we close that, the question is, what is the chance you'll get a worm pasta? And if you look over here at the meals, you've got the worm pasta comes out 2 of the 4 times, so it's equal chances that you're going to get it. And since that's right, over here we've got well done. This makes it an equal chance. So it tells you if you've got the question right, and it tells you why you've got the question right pretty much. And then next you go select table and graph, probability, see. So it gives you the stats. It's the worm pasta because there was 2 out of the 4 as a decimal and a percentage, and the 2 other meals are a quarter chance each, or 0.25 or 25% of getting those ones. And then if you click experiment, it just gives you stats of if you made that meal. And if you click theoretical, back to there, experiment, make 100 meals. So then that just gives you the stat if you make 100 meals and every time they change. Yeah, and then you can click make and it makes the worm pasta for you. So it's kind of a fun, different interactive maths game that kids can play so that they can get an understanding of how chance and probability works. So yeah, thanks for watching.